Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the chapter One Child, One Teacher, One Book, One Pen. Okay, and this is the class 7, and in this chapter we know about the woman Malala Yousafzai, and she is a inspirations woman that inspired of the many women and girls. Okay, so let's know more thing about the chapters. And this is an extract from the novel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai autobiography I Am Malala, and co-written with the Christina Lamb. Okay, it means this story has been taken from the novel autobiography I Am Malala. Okay, and Yusuf Malala Jai also win the prize of the Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, she has won the prize of Nobel Peace. Okay, and the autobiography written by the Yusuf Malala Jai and the co-written with Christina Lambs. Malala talks about how she misses her home and life in the Pakistan. It means her her birth house is in Pakistan, but now she left her house or home and settled in a UK. Okay, she also talks about how much life uh, life has changed for her and her family since they left their country. It means when they left their country, there are many changes coming in her life and her family. So let's know what will be happen when they left the country. Okay, their country. So the story will begin about the house of the UK. Our house feels big and empty. Here is the narrator Yusuf Malala Jai. She narrate all the things that happen in UK and Pakistan. In the first, she said that there are a house, and that was the very big and empty. Okay, and it feels completely alone or empty. Okay, why? It sits behind an electric iron gate, and it sometimes seems as if we are in what we in Pakistan call a sub jail. She tells that until she and her family settled in UK, the house is big and empty. Okay, why? Because this this is a uh, personless house. Okay, there are many few person live here. Okay, and this house situated behind the electric iron gate. Okay, and it seems like the house was seems like as a sub jail of the Pakistan. Okay, we can say that uh, the house was the empty and big, that looks like a Pakistan sub jail. Okay, and this is not only a jail. She next says that it is a kind of a luxury house arrested. It means it is the luxury sales or luxury jail. Clear? And there they are arrested. At the back, it means back of the house, there is a large garden with a lot of the trees and green lawn for her and her brothers. Okay, she next says that what is the condition of the house. In the front of the house there are a electric gate. Okay, but in the back side of the house there was a large garden, and there are a lot of the tree and a green lawn, and that green lawn was for her and her brother. Okay, where they play cricket. Sometimes they playing cricket. Okay, but there are no rooftop. Okay, like a Pakistan. The Pakistan has a house and that has a rooftops, but here is the no any rooftop to play. Okay, no children fighting with the kites in the streets, and just like that there are a lot of the person playing the cricket and fighting the kites in the street in Pakistan, but here is the nothing looks like such. Okay, and many of the neighbors gathering in her house and comes many time to borrow some of the rice, sugar, tomatoes, etc., or the many things. But in the UK no one come at her home to take or to ask some borrow of the sugars, rice, etc., are the things. Okay, and she next says that she also express his feeling, and he says what she feels now. There are a many of the neighbors lived in side of her house. Okay, and its distance only one a walls. Okay, but that walls and the neighbors also feel that it is the feels that the neighbor was a miles off away from her house. Okay, it means there are no any cooperative neighbors. Okay, next she says that about her mother. Okay, she looks out at her mother, and next he says that her mother was wandering. Okay, wandering means walking. Okay, around the garden, and her mother's head covered by a shawl. Okay, she always covered his head by a shawl, and she feeding the birds in the garden. Okay, and it seems sometimes it seems that she looks like a if she singing, maybe that tappa. Okay, tappa is a vocal classical vocal music. Okay, it is the semi classical vocal music. Clear? And she likes, that was she likes much, it means the song that she sings she likes much. Okay, and she also suggested the other person don't kill doves in the garden, and you kill one and other wouldn't come. He says that if you kill any birds, any doves in the garden, to look other to see this, and seeing this the other birds became very fear and they would not come in the garden. Okay, and she giving the birds the remains of the dinner from the night before, and there are tears in her eyes. Okay, and she also says the specialty of her mother, feeling of her mother, that she collect the all meals or food that give uh, that save or remains of the dinners. Okay, dinners means to meal of the night. Okay, she collect all dinners from the nights before, and there are tears in her eyes, and when she gathered food in UK she feels very sad, and she also crying. She also crying means weeping. Okay, she also weeping and a lot of the tears in her eyes. Okay, why? Because she did not agree to disrespect of the food. Okay, and next she says that eat much the same here as we did back home. Okay, she says that in a Pakistan they take a diet food, but when she came from the Pakistan in UK she take or eat much of the food, and also they waste the food. Next she says that back home rice and meat for lunch and dinner. Okay, they take the rice and meat in the lunch, and in the night in the dinner they also take rice and meat. But sometimes in the morning, it means in the breakfast time, they takes fried egg and chapati. Okay, but here is the her little brother, she also takes honey in the breakfast, and it tradition started by his little brother. Okay, in the morning, there is a uh, became a route. Okay, all the rules are moving on, but in some of the times her brother changed the rules, and they he creates a new tradition. Okay, and he takes honey, and also takes a, a favorite Birmingham discovery in Nutella sandwiches. Okay, but there are always leftovers. It means when they take the food, the all some of the foods always leftover means left. Okay, some of the foods will left are safe, and her mother is very sad about the waste of the food. It means when her mother see the waste food, she became very upset to seeing the waste food. Okay, and next, Yusuf Malala says that she is remembering all the children we fed in our house so they would not go to school on empty stomachs, and wondering how they are faring now. Okay, and next, see that in the Pakistan they um, feel poverty. Okay, poverty in the Pakistan, and her mother always try to send the children in the school by giving the meals. Okay, and here next the Yusuf Malala said that when she came home from the school in Mingora is the place where the Yusuf Malala Jai is born, and it is the village name of Yusuf Malala Jai. Okay, and this Mingora situated in Pakistan. It is the small village in Pakistan. She says that whenever she returned home from the school in the Megora, she never found that her house without people in it. Okay, it means many of the people, like just like that guest and neighbors, came in her house and gathering there. Okay, and next the she said that she can't believe that she can't believe that she used to plead for a day of peace. Okay, he has not happy, she she was not more happy, and she have no peace to become happy. Okay, and some privacy to do my schoolwork, and she had no any privacy, she have no any peaceful place in her house in the Pakistan wherever she do his schoolwork. Okay, and here the only sound is of the words and Kosal's Xbox. Okay, and in the UK she has a lot of the peace in her house, and there is no more person in her house. There are only a sound of the garden, is birds in the garden, and the Xbox means a gaming set. Okay, that her brother played. Clear? She only heard the sound of Xbox and birds in the from the garden. Okay, and next she say that she sit alone in her room doing a jigsaw puzzles and long for guest. Okay, it means now she has a lot of the time to playing a some of the interesting game, and the interesting game is jigsaw puzzles. Okay, where she solve jigsaw puzzle. Why? Because there are no more gathering and no any disturbing areas, and she also uh, there are no more guests come in her home a long time. Okay, so next uh, we have to know that we didn't have much money and my parents knew what it was like to be hungry. Okay, she says that in the Pakistan, when she lived in a Pakistan, they had no much money to buy some of the food and some of the cereals. Okay, and her parents also knew about the hungry. Okay, they feel hungry in a Pakistan, and her mother never turned anyone away. It means if any person will come at her home, then her mother never returned him from her house. Okay, once a poor woman came hot, hungry, and thirsty to our door. The Yusuf Malala said that once upon a time a poor woman came with a hot, hungry, and thirsty. Okay, at her door, and her mother let her in and gave her food, and the woman was so happy. It means she take her in her room, in her house, and gave her to food for feeding. Okay, and after that she became very happy. The woman became very happy, and she said that I touched every door in a mahalla. Okay, mahalla means it is the area wherever a lot of the house situated, and this was the only one open. And she says to her mother that she search out or calling many of the person in a mohalla, but no one listened to her. And that is the only one room, one house, wherever you are listen to my word and feeding me food. Okay, and next she also says to her mother that may God always keep your door open. Okay, wherever you are. Okay, she also bless her mother and say that may God always keep your door open wherever you are. Okay, and I know my mother is lonely, and today her mother was completely lonely, and she was very sociable. In a Pakistan, when she lived, she was very sociable, but all the women of the neighborhood used to gather in the afternoon in her back porch, and women who worked in other houses came to the rest. Now she is always on the phone. Okay, it means in the afternoon there are many of the members came at her home for the resting and talking to her mother. But in the UK there is no any person to listen him, so her mother always on the phone. Okay, to everyone back home, and it's hard for her here as she does not speak any English. Our house has all these facility. Okay, and she also tell that her mother no knowledge of the English, and there are a lot of the facility in her home, but all these facility are did not understand by her mother. Okay, but when she arrived there they were all the mysterious to her, and someone had to show us how to use the oven, washing machine, and TV. Okay, and some of the electric things are a modern things will came in her house, and that is was new for him, her and her family. Okay, so some of the members come in her house and show that how to use up the oven, how to use up the washing machine, and how to use up the TV. Okay, as usually her father does not help in the kitchen. Okay, she so Yusuf Malala teach him what she said that Abba, you talk of women's rights, but my mother manage everything. You don't even clear the tea things. Okay, she commented on her father that he he has talking about the women's right, but here is the her mother doing work in a kitchen as a single, and he never need to help her. Okay, and just like that he never make a single tea. Okay, a single cup of tea. So next we're talking about the second part of the chapter. Thank you for the watching video.